Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Love. Today I am going to demonstrate how to make noni juice. So these are the nonis I have collected from a tree, and you can see this is a ripe noni which is slightly yellowish in color. Yeah, see, nonis which are yellowish in color. So first what you have to do is, wash these nonis with the running water nicely, and make them clean from any germs. So the next process is, once you collect them, then wash them nicely and the running water, clean them, and then make them dry using a cloth or the sun for some time. Then use a food grade quality, plastic, or you can use a glass. This is a very good food grade quality jar. And what you can do is, take nonis after washing them, dry them nicely without water, and put inside the food grade quality plastic. I am filling it slowly one by one. Filling them nicely. Filling all the nonis one by one. You see how nice they are. Filling them one by one. Fill as much as possible till the brim. So now this is full. Now next step is, you can put a plastic on the top, make it airtight, and then tie it with the thread, and then close the lid. So that is the perfect procedure. This plastic is already airtight. Otherwise you can use a plastic, then tie it with a rope and put it. So slowly I am closing the lid. Keep this box or this container in the sun for 2 months or 3 months. Slowly the noni inside will disintegrate, ferment, and then you can filter it and you have perfect juice. And noni is a magic cure for so many ailments. In my next video I am going to demonstrate and tell you the benefits of noni. So this is how we prepare the noni juice. Some people call it as noni wine. Now keep it in sun for 2 months till all noni becomes ripe and disintegrates and juice will come out of it. So thank you for watching. Continue to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon. Have a nice day.